Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Wood. Today I am here with the continuation of passing package target 40, which is very important and 100% sure question for board examination. So here the question is, find the mean for the following data. I have taken two questions here. So let us solve one by one. And these are the very important question. So here class interval they have given 2 to 6, 7 to 11, 12 to 16, 17 to 21 and 21 to 26, and the frequency is 2, 4, 5, 3, 1. So the first step, this is the question. So here only I'll do the answer. As we get the question, we should write the question in this way, and we should write fx, fi. Then we should put one column, and that is written as xi. Xi is nothing but a middle class, or we can say a middle number of this class interval. Next is fi, xi. Okay, so how we have to do xi, how we will get xi from this class interval, middle number will get. So if we have a small number, we can do with this method, like we can write here, I'll write here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, very small numbers they are. So this and this, this and this, and we can write as middle number is 4, and we can write like this. If we have very big number, so the method is 6 plus 2. We should do these two numbers plus. 6 plus 2, 8. Half of 8. By 2 we have to do. Half of 8 is 4. In this way also we can do. 11 plus 7, 18. 18. Half of 18, 9. Same way. 16 plus 12. In this way we can write, or we can directly find out the middle number 12. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 14 is a middle number. Then 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 19 is a middle number. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 23, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 24 is a middle number. So here, now let us do fi xi. We should multiply this. Fi xi is fi into xi. 4 2s are 8. 9 4s are 36. 14 5s are 57. Now, or else we should multiply and see. 14 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. 70 it is. 14 5s are 70. 19 3s are 19 into 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3, 4 5, 57. This is 57. 24 1s are 24. So the next step is here. We know the formula is mean is equals to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. What is this sigma? Sigma is sum. Meaning of sigma is sum. So sum of this line, sigma fi, sum of this line, 4 5 6, 6 and 4 10, 10 and 5 15. Sigma fi 15 we got. Now sigma fi xi, we should go on adding this. 36 plus 8. Then otherwise I'll add here. See how to add. 8 and 36. Two numbers we have to add. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 44. These two finish. Then 70 we should add in this. 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 114. In this 57 we should add 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5, 6, 7, 171. In this we should add 24 now. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 1, 195. Sigma fi xi we got as 195. Now we should substitute in the formula. Mean is equals to sigma fi xi, what we got? 195 upon sigma fi, what we got? 15. Okay, so we should divide this. 15 1s are 15, 15 1s are 15. How many left? 4 left. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 4. So we can see 15 3s are 45, and the answer is mean is equals to 13. In this way we should do this solution. Let us check the other question here. Okay, here class interval is given and frequency is given. So the first step is we should write this as fi, next is xi, and the next step is fi xi. Okay, xi, how we will get? Middle number of this. So 10 plus 0, 10. Half of 10, 5. 20 plus 10, 30. Half of 30, 15. Then directly we can understand here 25, 35, 45. Okay, so 5 5s are 25. Here I have multiplied already. 12 into 15 is 180. Next 25 into 14, 350. I have already multiplied. 35 into 11, 385. And 45 into 8, 360. If you want, I'll multiply this and show you. 45 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 4s are 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 360. See. So here I have already multiplied. So the next step is, our main step is formula. Mean is equals to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Okay. Now sigma fi, total of this column. We should do total. How much we are getting? Okay. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 I'll do here addition calculation. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 14, this 3. Okay, 14. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 31. 31 plus 11, 2, 4. 42. 42 plus 8, 50. So we got sigma fi 50. Now fi xi. Let us add here sigma fi xi. First number 25 plus 180. 5, 8, 9, 10, 205. 205 plus 350 we should add. 5, 5 and 5, 555. Then 385 we will add. 5 plus 5, 10. Then 14, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. 5 plus 3, 8, 9. 9, 40. Then in this we will add 360. 0, 6 plus 4, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. And 3, 13. 1300. Sigma fi xi, what we got? 1300. So our formula is mean is equals to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Sigma fi xi is 1300 upon 50. This 0 got cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 3 remains, 5 6 are 30. So the mean answer is 26. In this way we should find the mean, which are the very important question for the board examination. So in my next video I am coming up with another important question. Do like and share. Thank you.